Good afternoon, YouTube. I'm Chucky 2009. I'm out here walking down the driveway with Wes, aka Welding 2012. And oh crap, dude, they mowed over here.
Probably all mashed up. The bottom.
Gonna be some smashed up cans. All right, anyway, so Wes came over and we're like, we're gonna try out the TIG machine. We're gonna try some aluminum. And Wes has been giving me some tips because I probably have about 20 minutes of aluminum experience in my life. And but Wes really knows this stuff, so we've just been messing around. We're like, you know, it'd be cool, we could weld some pop cans together. And well, here, you watch this side of the road, I'll watch this side as I don't get hit by a car. And basically, I don't know, dude. Yeah, there's not that many people to litter. For sale by owner, what the hell? So we're looking for pop cans to weld together. And we're not doing too good. Oh, it's mashed up. You know, it looks like a ditch, but it's not a ditch. Like, oh, sweet! Beer can! Woo! Mother load!
Daddy, baby.
I like it. Okay, YouTube. So, in the words of Wes, we got us a pop can vise here. So, yeah, good luck. The thinnest filler I have is 3/32 inch. And I don't have a stainless steel toothbrush, but it'll be alright. Worth a shot. You want like a clamp or something? Always use tools for their intended purpose.
Dope.
Huh, there you go. Alright.
This could be a fail.
What could go wrong?
Yeah, me and Addy, they make their cans too thin.
Do you got kind of a weld on there?
No wonder their beer's so cheap, their cans are thin.
Yeah, that explains it.
Once you get some weld on there, it's not so bad because you got something to
Weld too. Not bad. Not bad at all, dude.
brush her up a little bit.
Yeah.
Doesn't look pretty.
You're going great.
I want dimes. Contamination is not helping that thing.
No. Damn, that's a beat, and you're doing great. That's like paper thin metal. Oh, look at all that smoke. So YouTube, you ask yourselves, what kind of amperage is Wes running here?
Not a whole hell of a lot.
Not a whole hell of a lot. All right. Yeah, well, so once he gets going, the welder is going to tell us exactly where he's at. But you can see we got not a whole lot of post flow. I'll give him a little bit more here. Pulse is off, and we got the AC balance set with pure cleaning. It's just past the auto. But as you can see, yeah, not that many amps going into this. You can see where he restarted there. Right now we're around 20 amps. 20 to 30 amps is about where he's staying. You know what? Welding aluminum, 20 to 30 amps, that takes some skill. Look at him go. I can edit that out. Welding 2012 can weld beer cans together. Yeehaw. Alright, you guys, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more.